Imagine a year so bleak, so catastrophic, that it stands out amidst the centuries as a testament to human resilience and the fragility of our existence. The year was 536 AD, and it was unequivocally the darkest year to be alive. But what transpired during this fateful time that etched its mark so deeply into the annals of time? In order to comprehend the magnitude of the events of 536 AD, we must delve into the realm of environmental science, archaeology, and ancient chronicles. Picture a world veiled in a perpetual shroud of darkness, where the sun's rays faltered and failed to pierce through the thick, murky haze. Scholars and historians alike have puzzled over the cause of this ominous phenomenon for centuries, seeking to unravel the enigmatic veil that cloaks the year 536 in obscurity. One prevailing theory among scientists and historians revolves around the catastrophic eruption of a supervolcano, an event of unprecedented scale and magnitude. While the exact location of this eruption remains a subject of speculation, geological evidence suggests that it may have originated from one of several volcanic hotspots around the world, including regions such as Indonesia, Central America, or the Mediterranean. The eruption, believed to be among the most colossal in recorded history, unleashed a catastrophic torrent of molten rock, ash, and gas into the atmosphere. The sheer force of the eruption ejected vast quantities of volcanic debris high into the stratosphere, where prevailing winds carried it across continents and oceans. The resulting ash cloud effectively blotted out the sun, casting a pall of darkness over the earth for months on end. The repercussions of this volcanic eruption were felt far and wide, triggering a cascade of environmental catastrophes that plunged the world into a protracted period of darkness and despair. Without the nourishing rays of the sun, temperatures plummeted, ushering in a global climate crisis of unprecedented severity. Agricultural systems faltered and collapsed under the weight of prolonged darkness and cold, leading to widespread crop failures and famine across continents. But the impact of the volcanic eruption extended beyond the realm of agriculture and climate. The eruption's aftermath reshaped the geopolitical landscape of the ancient world, sparking mass migrations and upheavals as populations sought refuge from the ravages of nature's fury. Cities lay abandoned, their once thriving streets now silent and desolate in the shadow of impending doom. But the darkness was not the only affliction to befall humanity during this harrowing time. Crops withered and died beneath the sunless sky, leading to widespread famine and starvation across continents. The very fabric of society was torn asunder, as civilizations struggled to cope with the unforgiving grip of nature's wrath. The once vibrant tapestry of life was reduced to a somber tableau of suffering and despair. In addition to the environmental upheaval, historical accounts vividly depict the scourge of pestilence that swept across the land, leaving devastation in its wake. The precise nature of this pestilence remains a subject of scholarly debate, with some attributing it to outbreaks of bubonic plague, while others suggest the emergence of novel infectious diseases triggered by the environmental turmoil of the era. Regardless of its specific etiology, the pestilence that gripped the world in 536 AD was unparalleled in its ferocity and scope. Reports from contemporary sources describe scenes of horror and despair, as entire communities succumbed to the ravages of disease. In densely populated urban centers, where sanitation and hygiene were often rudimentary at best, the pestilence spread with alarming speed, claiming lives with ruthless efficiency. No segment of society was spared from the indiscriminate grasp of the pestilence. Men, women, and children alike fell victim to its relentless onslaught, with mortality rates soaring to unprecedented levels. The fabric of social order unraveled as families were torn asunder and communities grappled with the staggering loss of life. The impact of the pestilence extended far beyond the realm of human suffering, permeating every aspect of daily life. Economic activity ground to a halt as labor forces dwindled and markets faltered under the weight of widespread fear and uncertainty. The pestilence cast a pall of despair over the land, shattering the illusion of security and stability that had once characterized human existence. Moreover, the environmental upheaval of 536 AD had profound implications for cultural and religious beliefs. In many ancient societies, natural phenomena were imbued with spiritual significance, serving as omens and portents of divine wrath or favor. The unprecedented darkness and chaos of the year 536 prompted widespread fear and introspection, as people sought to make sense of the calamities befalling their world. Religious leaders and prophets interpreted these events through the lens of their respective faiths, offering explanations and guidance to their beleaguered followers. The upheaval of 536, thus, served as a crucible for the evolution of religious thought and belief, shaping the spiritual landscape of future generations. Furthermore, the aftermath of the year 536 reverberated through the saga of literature and art, leaving an indelible mark on the cultural consciousness of humanity. Poets and chroniclers of the time captured the despair and desolation wrought by nature's fury, weaving tales of loss and redemption that echoed through the ages. The imagery of darkness and decay permeated the artistic expressions of the era, serving as a poignant reminder of the fragility of human civilization in the face of elemental forces beyond our control. The legacy of 536 it endures, not only in the records of history but also in the collective imagination of humanity, reminding us of our shared vulnerability and resilience in the face of adversity. Yet, amidst the darkness and despair, there existed a glimmer of hope, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Communities banded together in solidarity, offering support and solace to those in need. Acts of compassion and kindness emerged as beacons of light in the prevailing gloom, serving as a reminder of the indomitable strength that resides within us all. As we reflect upon the events of 536 AD, let us not dwell solely on the darkness and despair that shrouded the world, but rather, let us celebrate the resilience and fortitude of humanity in the face of adversity. For it is in our darkest hours that the true measure of our character is revealed, and it is through unity and compassion that we emerge stronger than before. In summary, the year 536 stands as a stark reminder of the fragility of our existence and the profound interconnectedness of our world. It serves as a testament to the enduring resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity, and a poignant reminder of the power of hope to illuminate even the darkest of nights. As we gaze upon the chronicles of history, may we never forget the lessons of the past, and may we strive to build a future defined not by darkness, but by the enduring light of compassion and solidarity. Thank you.